Hi, this is Aldona Blondin from ABCC Positive Change Management, and I have 3 tips about what your friend might expect from you after having been made redundant. Presence, it doesn't mean only to be available. It means to be present and to sense emotion flow without being judgmental. It means also to be proactive, so to keep contact. It is now on your shoulders. And calling and asking, how was your day? It is much better than just to send SMS or email with text. If you need anything, feel free to contact me. Yes, this is the valid possibility, and please take this risk, because the divided sadness is half of the sadness for the sad person. So please let your friend to sense your presence and be ready to listen this sad story once again for some time. He or she is your friend after all. Some of your friends will maybe need more time on their own. That's why they might not return your phone calls. It is okay. They might also say, don't bother me now, I need time for myself. And it's also fine. Just check in a couple of days and sense when the moment to talk comes. Presensing. Asking about plans, it is okay, but when you make it too soon, when your friend it is still in this denial phase, full of perplexing thoughts in the head, might meet reluctance and disappointment. Presensing seems to be a good answer here. Be present and sense when it is a time to reactivate your friend to action. To make it crystal clear, this is not any hidden publicity for my services as a coach. Of course, it would be great if you can recommend me as a change coach for your friend, but please feel free here to recommend any coach who you like or know. Your role here is different because you are a friend. So with your friendship and attention, you are already emotionally involved, what might be not that effective to guide in this challenging situation your friend for the best solution. Good coach should start from now towards future, not digging into the past for the deep root causes. Support your friend with your presensing and offering advice on how to find good, positively inspired coach. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach, and maybe coach for your friends.